Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the role of a functional manager. Friend, we have taken this topic from PMBOK, Project Management Body of Knowledge, and this is a very interesting topic. I hope you would like this video, especially if you are a student of project management and planning to give exam of PMP. So this is an important topic and you will see this topic in the exam. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Role of a functional manager. First of all, we have to understand that who is basically a functional manager. When in any organization there are different divisions, and these divisions are normally based on the functions. Function means, for example, project management is a functional division, software development is a division, marketing is a division, finance is a division, sale is a division, procurement is a division. So with respect to the division, normally each division has their own head, and these heads are normally called as functional manager. So based on the divisions, based on the functions of an organization, the divisions are organized and planned in an organizations, and the head of the divisions are called as basically the functional manager. So functional manager is basically came from function. Function means like marketing, sales, software development, IT, networking, procurement, sales, marketing. So all these are different functions of our organization. So head of those functional divisions or head of those divisions are basically called as functional manager. The functional manager is a person who has management authority within a business unit with direct supervisor over one or more resources on the project program team, and directly responsible for the functions affected or that affect the project program. Basically, functional managers are the head of the divisions, and normally 3 to 4 people or more than 5 people are reporting to the functional manager. Functional manager has a very high authority on the resources, like their probations, their appraisals, their increments, their decrements, their terminations. All these are generally in the hands of functional manager. So functional manager is a very authoritative and a very strong normally role in any organization, because resources are reporting to him. Now, what is the role of a functional manager? Functional manager is a role that he can assign a specific individual to the team and negotiate with the project manager regarding the resources. Normally, whenever you are initiating a project as a project manager, so you have to talk with the functional manager to gain the resources. For example, you need 2 software development resources, so you have to obviously talk with the software manager actually. Functional manager participate in the initial planning until work packages or activities are assigned. He provides subject matter expertise. Normally, functional manager is a very expert person. Normally, he has a very expert knowledge in a specific domain. For example, he is very good in software development, so he is a subject matter expert. Subject matter expert means he is the best person for the domain knowledge. Approve the final schedule during schedule development. He approved the he approved the schedule. Why he is approving the schedule? Because we are gaining the resources from him, so he approved that he will basically assign the resources, he will give the resources according to the schedule. Function manager approved the final project management plan during project management plan development. Why? Again, same thing, that he is providing the resources, so he is approving the schedule, he is approving the project management plan, scope, timelines, etc. Why? Because he is providing the resources. That's why he is approving all those things. Okay, then a functional manager recommend changes to the project, including corrective actions. If anything required to be changed, he is providing the feedback as well. He manages the activities within their functional areas. Any functional area like software development, software designing, etc. If there is any changes are required, if there is any changes are required, so he will recommend them as well. Assist with problems related to team members performance. If there is any problem, for example, as a project manager, you are facing some problem with any resource, like his attitude is not good, for example, he is not performing well, so you can talk to the functional manager. He can replace that resource, he can talk to that resource, etc. So he can take some action. Improve staff utilization. As a functional manager, you have a very close eye that actually what who is doing what actually. So you can utilize the resources, and as a functional manager this is your responsibility to utilize the resources properly. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video.